Hello everyone, welcome to Jiangxi Nanxiao Air Compressor. Today I will teach you how to replace the air filter. Now please follow me. First open the door. We can see there is a lid right. There is a air filter. We can see there is a lid, and the lid is marked with an arrow. Now we turn the lid according to the directory of the arrow. Now we open it. We can take the air filter out and pick the new air filter in it. Then we need to press it down. Finally, put the lid on. It's easy to replace the air filter, right? I will teach you how to maintain machines next time. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.